Alright guys, so I finished up this transmission basically. The rebuild I wanted to make sure was proper. I got OEM parts and stuff like that just to make it feel smoother, be better. So what I used for the actual pivot arm, or the pivot piece that actually shifts the gears, um, I'm using lithium grease right here, Master Pro. You can get one of those for like 10 bucks or something like that, and you can use it for so long. So anyways, I used that and I also used some gasket maker to make sure the seal and everything was good, so that there's no not even pressure or any liquid or any fluid that can come out of transmission, at least here. So I put all the washers and everything in place. I put the lithium grease around it, made sure the pivot arm was greased up so it doesn't wear out prematurely. I again did the gasket maker so it doesn't come out, and then I use the OEM rebuild kit for this. Also, it will keep everything from it coming out here from the internals, and also this is really nice because it's like a little bushing and it kind of like makes it have some give. So we'll put this on there. So this thing can be completely covered up right here though, but the whole shifter and everything is so smooth. You just put this on. Alright, so that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse right there. So the whole thing is rebuilt, and you can see the pivot arm, or you can see it all pivot and stuff like that, and this gasket is going to keep everything from coming out in nice and OEM spec. It's going to look really good. I got it painted and everything with some, I use on most of my stuff that's supposed to let heat escape. Because here's the thing, the transmission needs to let heat like kind of bleed off. I use the caliper paint because it's got ceramic. It makes it like kind of like hydrophobic. Stays on there pretty good, and heat cycles really well. So I used all this stuff for it, and yeah. So if you're ever rebuilding this, make sure you have all the parts and everything together. I used OEM parts and the shifter kit parts just to kind of make it as smooth as possible. There is no play up and down. There is no play, like right here. That's the only play, if you can even see that. I'm shaking it. That's as much play as you get, and then you're shifting at that point. So it's really nice. Shifts really well. I'm excited. Ready to put this thing in here. And I got some more stuff coming for this. I'm actually designing some stuff with the headlights. The whole body kit's going to get rebuilt. I'm going to do a hard top eventually, stuff like that. So anyways guys, I'm kind of busy today, just trying to do some extra stuff. I'm going to paint the power plant frame and everything black. I'm going to make it all really nice and, good, ready for everything else. I got some new wheels coming, and stay tuned. So it's going to be pretty good. I just want to show you all what I was doing here. Maybe later on I'll show like the proper rebuild and everything like that of one of these transmissions, but I don't think it was too hard and it was super straightforward. So I don't really know if I need to spend the whole time just rebuilding that. But if you do have any questions, just hit me up on my Instagram, Nevea_performance, NEVAEH_performance, and then also Project LS Ultima. So that's my other account, and I'm LS swapping to Ultima as well. So in fact, that's the motor right there, the 5.3 liter Vortec. I haven't done anything to it yet, but long story short, I'm going to be doing stuff in the future, and I'm kind of collecting everything right now. So anyways guys, I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to get back to it and do some more stuff to the car. So I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Have a nice day.